Hey, welcome back. You are in the right place for real talk and tips on school, life, and finding your path forward. Hey seniors, this is your year. You have worked hard to get here and now is your time to shine. In this video, we are talking about how to make the most of senior year because it's not just about planning for the future, it's also about living in the here and now. Let's get into it. First, be present. Senior year goes by fast, like blink and it's May fast. So don't spend all your time counting down the days. Take the time to really focus on where you are and what you're doing, whether that's at lunch with friends, in class with your favorite teacher, or even just walking down the halls. And when your mind does wander, just bring it back. These are the last moments of this chapter. Don't miss them. Second, get involved or re-involved. It's not too late to join something. Try a club, join a team, audition for the play, run for something, help plan prom. Even if you've never been that person, this is your year to say, why not? Some of the best memories come from just showing up and saying yes. Third, make your own traditions. Sure, there are big events like prom, senior night, graduation, and those are great, but don't just sit around and wait for them. Start your own traditions with your friends. Get creative and have some fun. Try something like a movie night rotation, where you take turns hosting a movie at someone's house or backyard. You can even pick themes like 80s night or rom-coms, or even those movies that are so bad they're good. Or celebrate each new month with a small ritual. It could be something as simple as a group selfie with your friends, or getting together and setting intentions for that month, or even just sharing encouraging notes to one another. These simple moments and time with friends and classmates are what you'll remember. Fourth, capture the moment. Take pictures, write in a journal, start a notes app with funny moments, and you don't have to post everything, just keep them for you. Trust me, your future self will say thank you. Fifth, reflect and appreciate. Take time to notice how far you've come. The late nights, the awkward moments, the growth. Tell your favorite teacher thanks. Say something kind to a classmate. Let your friends know you appreciate them. Senior year is a chance to leave a mark. Make it one you're proud of. 6, try something new. Start that creative project. Take that risk, and it doesn't have to be huge. Say hi to someone you've never talked to. Speak up more in class. This is your year to experiment, learn, and stretch yourself before you dive into that next chapter. 7, take care of you. Enjoy your year, but don't burn yourself out. Make sure that you're getting sleep, you take breaks, set boundaries, and ask for help when you need it. Balance the fun with rest and self-care. Senior year isn't about doing everything perfectly. It's about making memories, taking chances, and finishing the year with no regrets. So go to the game, take that chance, say that thing. Dance, even if you feel awkward, because you won't remember every assignment, but you will remember how this year felt. You only get one senior year, so make it count. What's something you want to try to make the most of your senior year? Drop it in the comments below. If this helped you out, hit the like and subscribe button for more tips on school, life, and next steps. School tests us, life challenges us, but the future is yours to mold. Let's shape it together.